Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to take the Bitcoin to do the back test. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the today's chart and it is trading at 112520. Let me just randomly cut the bar. Okay, so it went to 2017 and we'll see. We'll try to back test from here onwards. Yeah. So yeah, it was at peak actually. Let me just mark this level. This is the resistance, the all-time high, and then we'll try to see if there is any nearby resistances or supports. Yeah, and if you clearly observe, right, there is an inverted hammer whose high is a huge resistance. Yeah, which is actually broken out, and before a breakout, right. If you see, there is a huge kind of red candle in lower time frames, or some high wave candle, and this is basically just removed all the weak traders, and then after that it is broken out this particular resistance. So in monthly time frame itself, I could able to get all my supports and resistances. Yeah, and the trend it is definitely up in monthly time frame, and weekly also it is pretty much up only. Yeah, and if you see in this particular area, see, there is a straightforward breakout happened, but is it sustained? No, actually. Okay. So now, if you see, there is a huge I wave candle came, and then it is just confirmed like some fake breakout. Yeah. But if you really see here, right, after the fake breakout, okay, this is the confirmation candle for a fake breakout. Yeah, and people would have gone big time short, right? Because it is at a resistance and gave a some fake breakout, reversal chart pattern or a setup, right? And ideally, people will go on short, okay? But if you really see here now, all the rookie traders or some retailers will go short on it, okay? But after that, what happened? There is no, much follow for on the downside, and the low of this candle is still intact, yeah, and the price has pushed right away up. Okay, so which means there is a nice breakout, yeah, and we have nice red candles before the breakout also. And once the breakout happened, if you see, it just becomes the support. Okay, now in a weekly time frame, for me, this candle high also very much important because it is some high wave candle, and low also very important for me. Okay, so we'll mark both highs and lows, yeah, and we'll just see what exactly happens. Yeah. And we are bulls now, and only the thing is we are at nearby the major resistances. Yeah, I would like to go ahead with maybe daily time frame. Yeah, um, and we'll backtest in daily and see what happens. Okay, so now the price is at this particular support, right? So whatever we mark from monthly time frame, the price is at that particular level. Okay, now let's see what exactly happened on this particular level. Okay, so whether it will reverse from this particular level and go up further up, yeah, or it will further comes down and give some good entries. Okay, definitely I am bull, yeah, and let's see. Okay, the entire price action, if you really see here, no, it is under this particular candle. Okay, so we can consider at a support, major support, some high wave candle has came and the entire projection is in between that. Okay, so now the question comes, there is a breakout of it. Okay, for the historical charts, I think I could not able to see the volume. Okay, but that's fine. So now such a nice reversal pattern, right? Mother candle breakout it is. Okay, now the question comes, if you bet on it, what is the target? Okay, target is, the first target could be this. Okay, because this is high wave candle high, which we mark from a weekly time frame. Yeah, and now it may break out or it can come and retest this level also, right? Or else it can further comes down again, it can reverse, anything can happen. Okay, so now if I just check with some long position, let's see if we have some at least some 1 is to 3, 4, or 5. So there is no risk reward. So it's better to wait, right? Now, for an example, if I just consider for the next target, yeah, here at least 3.49 is there. Okay, let's enter some 5 quantity and it's a buy and stop loss below this. Let's see what exactly happened because it gave a reversal now at this particular level and a nice candle, right? Volume I cannot see, but that's fine. Let's see. Okay, it is actually broken out that level. Okay, a huge candle, I mean high wave candle high, which is broken out. Okay, with a nice candle. Okay, after that, can you see the next candle has confirmed that it is a becomes the support after the resistance breakout. Okay, because this candle did not close below this, right? Okay, and maybe this candle could have removed all the weak traders before breaking out this level. Okay, because a huge weak candle before the all-time high, right? So let's see what happened. Okay, again holding that level. Yeah, it hit the target. Okay, it hit our target. Yeah, so which means whatever the candle we believed and whatever the level we believed. Okay, so it really worked, right? Yeah, and it is also hit the target. Okay, and see whenever the target hits now, it's always better to get out from that particular level. Okay, even if this further goes up, that's well and good. Okay, so it's better always get out once you mark your resistances. Okay, so let's see after that. Okay, because yeah, some high wave candle is there before a breakout. Okay, but this is having some huge wick. Let's see what exactly happens. Okay, somehow this candle is telling that it is a support. It becomes a support. Okay, now you see one clear observation in my previous backtest also. I said this: whenever there is a resistance breakout, ideally it should go up. Okay, and if you see this particular line, there is this resistance breakout, small sideways trend happened, and after that it went up. Okay, here also once it is breakout now, for me at least some 4 or 5 candles sideways trend if it is went, that's fine. Okay, and it should not be more than that. Okay, if it is going sideways, huge sideways with some doji candles and all, at least we should get out at that particular level. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now you see, you know there is these two candles. Okay, and a big candle came. Okay, and it took all the stop losses Sumsa has put it on this particular candles. Okay, but a good thing is it is holding this particular support. Okay, it is holding this particular support, but somehow it is closer below this now. Ideally it will become a resistance. Okay, so the thing is all-time highs cannot break very easily. Okay, that is the one thing which we need to keep it in mind. And ideally now this particular candle high is high and lows are pretty much important because it came at an all-time high and such a huge hammer, right? So better we can mark that. Now you see the candle, closer below that, right? So now if you are not booked the profit, right, the entire profit got eroded. At least if you see, if I enter here, right, 60% of the profit got eroded. Okay, that's why mark your levels, exit at that particular level. Okay, yeah. Now let's see what happened after that. See, there is this candle came and whose low is gone. Now ideally people would have shorted here. Okay. Now my what if here is, what if this candle low will still enter? Okay, because the whole higher time frames are super bullish. You see what happened. Okay, so it actually trying to take this support. Okay, it is actually trying to take this particular candle low as a support. Yeah, and it is holding that line. Okay, at least either we can enter here and keep the stop loss below this candle, or we can wait for the breakout of it. Either of the case, it is fine. Oh, can you see this? A big, high wave candle. Okay, a huge high wave candle. Okay, and it is actually taking this resistance. Okay, this candle high as a huge resistance, and a good thing is it is holding above. Okay, now for me, this candle is pretty much important because it has a huge wick, right? Now it is very much important, yeah, and it came at a huge, the all-time high resistance. Okay, yeah, so that's why now. So rather than just betting on this candle and keeping stop loss below this, because ideally sometimes I also used to do, yeah, where stop losses will get hit. So it's better to wait for this breakout. Okay, so let's see what happens. So now the price is in between this particular level. Yeah, somehow it is broken down. Okay, so now we have to see what exactly it is going to do on this particular level. Okay, because whatever this level we marked, right, it came from monthly. Okay, and this support. Okay? And straight away it is broken down, and high of the candle and low of the candle is pretty much important, right? So let's see what exactly happened at this particular level. Okay, the price is holding because high is resistance, low also good resistance support. Okay, so since we are a bulls, okay, since we are bulls, right? Okay, so now let's see if it is giving any reversal setup at this particular support. Okay, so then there is a high chance that it can break. Okay, now we got the mother candle breakout. Okay, at this particular low of this candle and monthly support, we got it. Okay, now the question comes: can we bet on this candle? Okay. So maybe yes, because it gave a reversal setup. But the only thing is, whatever the levels we mark, that is already converted to a resistance. Okay, even this candle, everything is become resistance, and even this candle high also a huge resistance. Okay, so now if the price has to go up, ideally, definitely some big candles should come. Okay, if it has to go up. Okay, otherwise, if it reverses, okay, then we should take our stop loss. Yeah. So let's see. I just go and buy some quantity. Okay, so in this candle, okay, the stop loss got hit because it is closed below that. Can you see? Low of the candle is gone. Okay, ideally we should get. Okay, even though it is a kind of small, kind of some big wick is there hammer. Okay, so it's better to get out. Okay, rather than keeping hope on this particular trade, right? Better get out. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, now you see there is a huge loss in it. Okay, so the thing is, okay, so you are finding out some levels and you are mark some important candles. Once there is a setup or a pattern comes, so we are betting on it. Okay, now it is not something like every trade will go on success. Okay, but ideally you find your level, you mark the candles, you know find out your setup for a chart pattern and bet on the special candles which it has done something special, right? And if it goes down, yeah, maybe you can take the stop loss. Maybe your view is still intact, but somehow the trade went opposite. Okay, so maybe if we would have get some volumes in it, ideally we can see whether it is a low volume or a high volume and all. Okay, if it is a low volume, we'll just avoid it rather than betting on this candle. We'll avoid it, right? Okay, so these things and all we should keep it in mind. Yeah, yeah. So one hit and one stop loss hit today. Okay, but that's fine. So why stop loss hit is because maybe we we missed to uh, draw one particular support come resistance. If you see this particular level, no? Yeah. So there is this support which is broken, correct? Yeah. Even this candle has closed up. Okay, that is good for us actually. Okay. So yeah, I mean the study is good only. Okay, but market has not obliged our study. Okay, that's fine. So it went, against. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, so because since from long I just wanted to do some backtesting on the Bitcoin, but didn't get a chance. So, but this time we did it. Yeah, and yeah, and we also learned a couple of things here. Yeah. Okay then. So you can subscribe my channel if you really like this particular backtesting. I hope it is also helping for you. Yeah, and you can also share these videos to your friends so who is in who is in stock market. It will definitely help. Yeah, because we are just going with only purely price action study and then supports and resistances, and it is really working, right? And ultimately once we'll get more and more confidence, we can apply the same studies in the live and we can take the positions. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, and bye bye.